Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Nisara Long Lasting Women Perfume gift set, a 4x15 ml collection totaling 60 ml packed with 4 stunning scents, Midnight Tease Girl, Power Vanilla Rush, and Miss Gorgeous, all crafted with warm vanilla, floral, woody, musky notes perfect for every mood and occasion. This travel and pocket-friendly kit is marketed as an ideal gift for women, whether it's your wife, friend, or girlfriend, so let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It's sleek, compact, and screams luxury gifting. The 415 ml bottles are perfect for popping in your purse or travel bag, starting with Midnight Tease, a floral, woody, musky scent with orange blossom tuberose and a vanilla musk base. I spritzed it on my wrist and it's seductive and cozy, lasted a solid 8 hours, perfect for date nights. Next, Girl Power, a floral burst with pear jasmine and a vanilla cedar finish. I sprayed it on my neck and it's fresh, confident, and empowering. Stayed strong all day. Love it for daily wear. Then Vanilla Rush, an ambery vanilla dream with orchid caramel and musk wood. I put it on, and it's rich, sweet, and comforting, lingered beautifully for hours. A total crowd pleaser. Finally, Miss Gorgeous, a floral, fruity green vibe with pear rose and a vanilla amber base. I tried it, and it's elegant and versatile. Lasted through my busy day without fading. These eau de parfums are high quality with imported oils from France, UK, and Italy. They're long-lasting, vegan, and skin-friendly, not overpowering but noticeable, ideal for all skin tones. This set's a steal for gifting or treating yourself, portable and affordable luxury. Want to see more? Stay tuned for my next video with a full scent-inspired look. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me which scent you'd pick or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.